Hello, dear Cancerians. A very warm and good evening to you guys. So, this is a journal love reading from 26th of April till 3rd of May, and this is a reading for those who are right now in separation or are in no contact with their person right now. Okay, so this is a reading from 26th of April till 3rd of May. So, check out the whole story if it resonates with you. Okay, so let's see your partner's current energy. So we will tap into your partner's current energy, your current energy, their feelings for you, what they want from you, and the expected outcome from their side. Okay. So your partner's current energy is the Hierophant. Cancerians, you might be dealing with the Taurus. So I feel like your partner right now is spiritually inclined about something. They are working on their spiritual aspect. They are working on their spiritual awakening. They are working on something that is very traditional. Maybe they are working on some kind of uh, puja or something like that. I hope you know puja. This is kind of traditional worshipping something, worshipping somebody. So it is right now. Your partner right now is in very spiritual zone. They are working on their spirituality, and they are working on their inner self, inner shadow. So the Hierophant. Let's clarify the Hierophant. Or they might also be in the zone of uh, preparing something, or maybe behind the scenes they are doing something. The Hierophant is clarified by the Chariot, Ten of Wands, and the Justice. Okay, I feel like your partner is trying to move on from this relationship or move on from you because they feel like this is a huge burden to be with this person or to be in this connection. And you could be dealing with a Libra because the Justice card is also here. So I feel like this person is trying to move on from this particular situation that you guys had in the past because they feel like this is a very huge burden on their shoulder to be in this relationship or in this connection, and they're trying to do justice with their own feelings, to do justice with their own life. That is why they are working on their spiritual side right now. That is why mama might be they are working on their spiritual aspects right now. Okay. Okay, so Cancerians, please pardon me, I'm a little sick right now, but I'm doing the readings because I feel like I should do that. Okay, so your current feelings, Cancerians, your current feelings. The Magician. I feel like you are manifesting something in your life, or might be you are manifesting this person back in your life, Cancerians, because you still have a hope that this relationship will work out, or this particular connection will work out. So basically, you are manifesting something in your life. Let's clarify, Magician. Let's clarify what you are manifesting in your life, Magician. The Magician. Your person is trying big time to move on from this relationship, and that is why they are spiritually inclined towards spiritual things. Okay, and you are manifesting something. You might be manifesting this person back in your life. Let's clarify the Magician. Okay, fine. So you are manifesting this person in your life because I feel like you are working on yourself. You are holding back a lot from the feelings that you have. Okay, so although you are manifesting this person in your life, you are working on yourself, you are working on your projects, you are working on your dreams. You are holding back from this relationship or this person because you have lots of feelings for them. You are feeling like this particular person makes you very happy, but you are holding back because you are trying to work on your projects. Might be you are manifesting this business thing to flourish. I feel like you're manifesting that your dream project should be started, or your dream project should be should flourish, or you're manifesting you know I'm not getting the exact word. So you are manifesting financial growth in your life, to be very honest. You are manifesting finances in your life, you are manifesting stability in your life, and you are holding back, and you are manifesting this stability and this flourishment of your projects because you are holding back from your emotions. Okay, this is the whole story, because you feel like these emotions are making you kind of sick, and that is why you are just focused on your money and your business. Okay, so this person's current feelings for you, this person's feelings for you can say. Eight of wands, eight of swords, sorry. So eight of swords is telling me this person is very very guarded. They are not talking to you, they are very very emotionally off, they cut off all the ties with you. They feel like this relationship is no longer serving them, or this connection is no longer serving them, and this connection is making them blind, and this connection is not going anywhere. Whatever the reason is, they are feeling like they are blindfolded, they were blindfolded by their emotions, and that is why they were feeling stuck in their mind. Or might be there were lots of mind games going on, that is why they felt like that. So let's clarify the eight of swords, why they are stuck, why they are stuck on you. They are big time stuck on you. Okay, they are trying to move on, but they are stuck on you. They are still blindfolded by their own emotions. So let's clarify the eight of swords. Ace of pentacles, five of cups, and the three of pentacles. They are blindfolded by, because I feel like they tried to offer you something in the past, but you rejected, you turned your back, and now they are working on themselves. Okay, so they are feeling like in a jail, because they feel like they offered you something in the past and you rejected that, and you make them feel sad, made them feel very very alone, and that is why they are now focused on their teamwork, they are now focused on their own projects. Or might be they felt like you are focused more on your work than them. Okay, so I feel like they proposed you, or they gave you some kind of offer and you rejected that offer, you made them feel sad, because they felt like you are more focused on your work, your energy is more focused on your work. That is why they felt like they are in some kind of emotional jail, and that is why they are not able to come out of that jail. These are their feelings for you. What they want from you, what they want from you is two of pentacles. What they want from you is to come out of a confusion. Might be you are confused about this particular person, might be you were in a confused state regarding this relationship. All they want from you is to come out of this confusing state of mind, because I feel like they offered you something very very solid, but you rejected that offer, or you didn't rejected that offer. They felt like you are overstressed with your work, you are over obsessed with your work. Let's clarify the two of pentacles from what they want. Page of Pentacles, Page of Swords, and Ace of Swords. Okay. Hmm. So I feel like what they want is to come out of a confusing state from you, because you were on the one hand you were busy in doing your own projects, on the other hand you were not giving them any kind of clarity, and you were saying that you are ready for a brand new beginning with this person, you were ready for this beginning. So all they want you want from you is to get the mental clarity, because you are focused on your work as well. You are might be playing some kind of mind games as well, or you are not giving them any kind of clarity, and that is why they are seeking the truth, they are seeking the clarity from you, and that is why they want you to come out of this confusing state and give them the total clarity of what you want, what you feel, what plans do you have with this person in the future. So all they want is seeking the truth, or seeking the clarity from you. Okay, what to expect from this person till 3rd of May, Cancerians? What to expect from this particular person till 3rd of May, from 26th of April? King of Wands, communication coming in. They are, uh, see, this person is trying to move on from you, to be very honest. But there is some kind of communication coming in, Cancerians, and this communication is like going to clear lots of things between you guys, because this person is still passionate about you. This person is still thinking about you. This person is still feeling like there should be a connection between you guys. Okay, although they feel like this is a burden to be in this relationship, but still this is weird. But still they are going to approach you till 3rd of May. Let's clarify the King of Wands. Nine of Pentacles, Six of Wands, and the Death. Okay, let me analyze. So right now I feel like this person is coming towards you after they feel like they are emotionally stable now, because they feel like you are kind of a celebrity, or you are some kind of different person, or They have never met a person like you, in the past maybe, or in the, in the like present situation as well. That is why they want to reach out. And the death, because they feel like the old circumstances have died. The old circumstances are no longer the same. They have changed a lot. They want to have a brand new, maybe not brand new love situation with you, but they want to start communicating with you again. They want to start that friendship with you again, although they feel the burden, although they feel the pain. Okay, so basically this person is coming towards you because now they feel emotionally stable and maybe financially stable as well, and they feel like this is the right time. They see you as somebody who's some kind of celebrity, a little celebrity, or at least in their view, at least in their eyes, you are some kind of celebrity. And they feel now the situations has changed. They have changed. They have transformed into something maybe mature. Now they feel like they have changed into something that you wanted. Okay, so the bridging energy between, so expect them to reach out to you and talk to you about, might be a dream project, might be a simple friendship, might, so there's communication coming towards you. Okay, and there's some kind of beautiful passionate energy coming towards you from their side, and you are going to enjoy this as well, Cancer. Okay, so this person is coming back and they will have a conversation with you, and this conversation will change the scenario, change the chemistry, change the physics of this relationship, or of this particular connection. So the mutual energy from both the parties is star. You both are on the healing zone, in the healing zone right now. I feel like I feel like both the parties are going through a healing process right now, and after this healing will be completed, this relationship will have a chance to grow again. This relationship will have a chance to, have another chance again. So all they're seeking is a mental clarity from you, and they will reach out to you. Okay, so I will pull one card for you guys, for as an advice, you can say, from Love Oracle deck till 3rd of May for Cancerians. Oh, wedding rings, union, wedding, marriage, soul connection, eternal love, everlasting promise. If you give this person another chance, or if you give each other another chance, this could turn into this wedding bells. This relationship can turn into this wedding and long-term commitment thing. Okay, if you are ready to give this person or this relationship another chance. Fine. So thank you so much, Cancerians, for listening to me. Thank you so much for being here. And let me know in the comment section below how it resonates with you. So it is a predictive reading. I feel like if this is not resonating with you right now, it will resonate with you because it is till 3rd of May. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And thank you so much for listening. And I'll be in happy and chirpy mood in the next videos, because right now I'm not feeling well. I'm going through a typhoid phase. Namaste. Thank you.